Hello, second graders! It is time for foundations. Now, why is it important to do foundations? Okay, yes, we learned different patterns of how to speak and how to read and how to write the English language. Okay, and I don't have baby Echo with me, but did you hear that? Oh, it's Mooey Booey. Mooey Booey is sleeping. Jackson, can you blow on him to wake him up? Oh, thank you, Jackson. He is awake. Hi, Mooey Booey. Okay, he's going to watch from down here. Let's start with our vowels. These are short vowel sounds. Okay, and these are in closed syllables. A, apple, a. O, octopus, ah. U, up, I, itch, I. E, ed, eh. Nice job. Okay, let's do our vowel consonant E's. Now these are long vowel sounds. I, pine, I. O, home, O. A, safe, A. U, rule, oo. E, Pete, E. U, mule, U. Okay, great. And let's do our open syllables. These are also long vowel sounds. O, no, O. I, hi, I. E, me, E. A, acorn, A. U, pupil, U. U, flew, oo. Okay, and we have Y, cry, I. And Y, baby, E. Great job on our vowels. Yay! Mooey Booey loves it. Moo. Okay, and now let's review our trick words. Ready? Go. Okay, great job. And we also have our words of the day. Safety, duty, cozy, predict, shy. Okay, great. Okay, good job. And now you will do the normal lesson. Bye. Bye-bye.